Welcome to the King Car Yuanshan Whiskey Distillery. In order to produce a special whiskey with a unique Taiwanese flavor character, in 2006, King Car Group chose its Yuanshan plant to be the home of the distillery, which is located on the beautiful Lanyang Plain. It is the only distillery in Taiwan which actually carries out the milling, mashing, fermentation, and distillation of the complete production process of whiskey. The flavor of the whiskey is one of a kind, offering the people in Taiwan high-quality whiskey at affordable prices. The world's main whiskey-producing countries are Ireland, Scotland, the US, Canada, and Japan. Among them, the most famous worldwide is Scotch whiskey from Scotland. Use of raw materials and production methods vary in different producing areas. Main whiskey types. Whiskey can be classified as single malt whiskey, blended malt whiskey, blend whiskey, and grain whiskey. Grain whiskey, made from raw materials including grains other than barley, such as maize, oats, and wheat. It is distilled in a continuous still. The flavor is lighter and purer, with higher alcoholic strength. Blend whiskey, a blend of grain and malt whiskeys. Blend whiskey is the main type of whiskey on the market. Blended malt whiskey, 100% made from malted barley, and is a composite of malt whiskeys of different distilleries. It was originally called pure malt whiskey, but later changed to blended malt whiskey. Single malt whiskey, 100% made from malted barley and produced by a single distillery. Single malt whiskey is the most popular type of whiskey and appreciated by connoisseurs worldwide. Different methods of production. There are brewed alcohols, distilled spirits, and reproduced alcohols. A. Brewed alcohols. Common brewed alcohols such as beer, Japanese sake, red cordial, and Chinese shaoxing are all examples of alcohols brewed from grains. Grape wines and other fruit wines are also brewed alcohols with fruit as their raw material. B. Distilled spirits. Spirits are the result of distillation of brewed alcohols. They have higher alcohol content, usually above 40%. Chinese spirits such as rice wine, sorghum wine, and shoju, as well as whiskey and brandy, belong to this category. C. Reproduced alcohols. These are alcoholic beverages which have a base of brewed alcohols or distilled spirits, to which medicinal materials or other food additives and flavors are added. Kumquat wine, plum wine, wujiapi wine, ginseng wine, and a variety of alcopops are some examples in this category. The three main ingredients of whiskey. A. Barley. Barley is the basis for that unique whiskey flavor and special taste. Malt whiskey generally uses two-row barley, which has higher starch content and is the most suitable for whiskey making. B. Water. Water is the lifeline for whiskey. A bottle of whiskey consists of about 60% water. Only the best quality water can produce the best quality wort. C. Yeast. Yeast type is the key factor influencing the flavor and character of whiskey. After pitching wort in the fermenter with yeast, the yeast decomposes the sugars in the wort into alcohol with carbon dioxide as a byproduct. This will generate a pleasant fragrance. The process is called fermentation, which is an important step in the making of whiskey flavors.